Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm just going to talk about the best time to trade with Forex Robots. The best time to trade with Forex Robots. What do you think is the best time to trade with Forex Robots? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. I do apologize if you can hear some noise in the background. It's a windy day in Cape Town, so but I have to make the video and share the knowledge because you guys are asking these questions in the video, so I have to answer these questions. So what is the best time to trade with Forex Robots? Okay, so my personal opinion, feel free to disagree in the comment section below. By the way, if you are looking for a new forex broker, reliable broker that you can use with your Forex Robots and stuff, see the links in the description box below. The key to success with trading with Forex Robots is to trade with them when the market is trending. We know there are three fundamental structures of the market. The one is the uptrend, when the market is just pumping up, is just moving up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, it's just going up. Then you usually get a period of ranging markets, sideways movement. The market, it seems it can't decide whether it was to go up or whether it wants to go down. Then after that, either it continues going up or it actually reverses and starts trending down. Lower downtrends, you normally see them with lower highs, lower lows, and it continues on like that. So the best time to be trading with a robot, for me, my experience has been when you're following the trend, whether it's an uptrend or whether it's a downtrend. I've seen very few trading robots that do well when the markets are ranging. I've seen very few robots that do well when the markets are ranging, because when the markets are ranging, everything is just choppy. Everything is just choppy. When the robot thinks it's going to be a buy and it enters a buy, it quickly becomes a sell. When the robot sells, it quickly becomes a buy. But when the market is trending, the robot can actually enter a trade, a buy, and that buy will pan out because the market is in a trend. So that's the key to success with trading robots. What you want to do is follow trends. If a trend is not visible in the market, I think switch off the robot. Again, feel free to disagree with me in the comment section below. Then if you're going to be doing intraday trading, you know, the guys that are only trading during the day, and then at night they plug off their robot. They don't leave the robots to run 24/7, which in a way I don't exactly advise, but anyway, people are free to do what people want to do. So what you also want to do, the best times for trading intraday with these robots, I've seen that it's usually London session, New York session. Why? Because London session and New York session, these sessions tend to offer high volatility and liquidity, movement. We want movement. We don't want our robot to place a trade and that trade doesn't go anywhere and probably actually moves against us, and the robot is forced to open a new trade which moves against us again, and things like that. So what you want to do is find trading sessions where the market has potential to move. The Asian session, I tried it once to trade with the robots, but it was quieter. I think whether you're trading manual trading or with algorithms, the Asian session is just quieter. And so that's why I actually think if you want to be doing intraday trading with your robots, I think activate your robot at the start of the London session and close it when the New York session closes. Those two sessions for intraday trading, you should get your money's worth. If you are going to be trading with robots 24/7 though, yeah, I would advise that you find a service for a virtual private server, VPS, or a cloud-based service where you can plug in your robot. It's going to be there in the cloud and is going to allow your robot to to trade 24 hours a day. This is because I've seen people who leave their computers. They plug in their robots on their laptop or PC or Mac or whatever and they keep this machine up and running for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 5 days a week if you are trading forex, 7 days a week if you are going to be trading synthetics. They keep this machine up for all those hours. What happens is the components inside your computer or laptop, they start overheating because the machine is always up. It was not designed for that, so it actually starts overheating, and when it starts overheating, then it starts to break down. That's how then now you start having problems with your PC or your computer and stuff. So if you are thinking of, hey, I'm going to want to run my robots 24/7 or 24/5 if you're trading forex, I recommend that you find a hosting for your robot in the cloud so that you can continue operating it, but without damaging your laptop unnecessarily. So going back to that question, the best time to be trading with forex robots, I think I honestly believe when you spot a trend, when you are seeing trends, that's the only time that is best for forex robots. Ranging markets, they're a disaster. That has been my experience. And also, if you're going to be doing intraday trading with the robots, I think only target the New York session, then the London session. The other sessions, you don't need them. They're just basically slow and quiet and stuff. You want to target where there is high volatility and high liquidity, which is London and New York session. Guys, did I leave anything out? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.